All right, welcome back. Box number 4 of this first case of Shadows of the Galaxy. So far, so good. I did get spoiled my first 2 boxes that weren't part of a case. Well, obviously it were because they all come in cases, but weren't part of a sealed case for me. Because those 2 boxes, man, they gave me 5 legendaries. So far, 2 legendaries, no, 3 legendaries, 5 legendaries, 3 legendaries. So, still not bad. Like I've stated in some of my other videos, set 1, I did get a box that only had 2 legendaries, and that was it. So, I'm hoping that doesn't happen with this set, specifically with this case. So, here's hoping. Double rare pack, love it, actually. Yeah, it's still technically double rare. It's just rare or above. So first legendary off the bat and a jetpack. It's an uncommon, but that is one sexy card. Love starting the box with a legendary because that means that more than likely the rest of it, there should be more. It sucks when like you get to half the box and you still haven't got a legendary because sometimes that means you're just gonna get only a few. Not many. So here's hoping for lots of legendaries. I would love 6. 6 would be good. I don't think I've ever gotten 6. Oh, that's that one card. I was thinking, yeah. Attack. So this is a card. Yep. I think that sees play. Even though we're in pre-release this weekend, I think the folks have been testing it and they got the cards early, or those that are playing on Carabast and all that. I think that sees play, so we'll see. But it's a new legendary for me, so that's good. Ooh, double rare pack. Sexy. Triple rare pack. Love it. I love it. I want a triple legendary pack. I haven't seen one. I haven't pulled one. But, oh, except for that one where the guy was getting like multiple legendaries. That might have been a triple legendary. Where like his packs were screwed and he was getting like, I think the box ended up with like 11 legendaries or something. Something like that. Bunch of hyperspace. Mandalorian armor and Public Enemy. Wait, is Bubba Mandalorian? No, I don't think so. He's Bounty Hunter. Never mind. Oh, nice. Always like that. Put that aside so I can keep it separate. Finally got a playset of him. So he might not be as rare as I thought, or I'm just getting lucky. Because I remember K2SO was pretty freaking rare. I mean, it took me a while to get him. Or at least a playset of him. Jetpack. But maybe, because that's technically only the second one out of boxes. I think the first one I got was out of the... What was it? Was it out of... I don't know. Can't remember if it was out of a pre-release kit or not. Alright, final showdown. What? I thought this was the other card. Holy shit, so you better be ready to win. Fuck. Holy shit. I like that. That's kind of funny. I like this. I don't know all the cards. I've only seen a few of the previews, and I'm not even sure if everything was seen. So that's very interesting. Obviously, you wouldn't play it unless you're gonna win, but you never know. That's kind of cool. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm not gonna play it. I'm not gonna put it in bubble. Maybe. No, I don't know. Maybe like one. Not a playset, but maybe kind of like, yeah, if I pull this and maybe it just comes into, ooh, what's that back there? It's Hyperspace Full, hopefully a legendary one. I know. I don't think I can get another one in the case, so maybe. I think they're case hit, if that. So I don't think I'll get another one. But there's another one back there. So maybe it'll be a Hyperspace Foil. Legendary. Nope. What was that double cutting? Turn a non-leader unit that costs 6 or less to its owner's hand, then its owners may play it for free? Well, I guess it's just essentially exhausting it, but you're paying 6 for that? I mean, why not just play cunning? You can just tap it. I guess maybe they can't play it because they've already used up all their resources, so maybe, I don't know. Sometimes some of these things just don't sound very good, but then someone figures out amazing ways to play it, and then we're all playing it. Ooh, another legendary. I think I got that one already. And oh, Wookiee Warrior, that's pretty cool art. Cartoony, but it's pretty cool. Alright, 6 packs left, I think. Nope, 8. 8 packs left. That guy's pretty cool too. When played, heal 1 damage from your base. Action. Return this unit to deal 1 damage to a ground unit. Pretty funny. So 3 legendaries, Hoping for 1 or 2 bonus ones would be nice. So Smuggle will cost you 3. I mean, that's not bad for a 1 crop anyways, but you always definitely want to be able to attack right away. Otherwise, it kind of puts a target on your unit. And they're like, well, +2, I'm going to have to take that out. So, Smuggled for 3. And it's cunning, I'll take it. Yep. I'd rather play it in my cunning deck for sure. Because you're already playing Surprise Strike, First Strike, or Surprise Strike, Shoot First, stuff like that. So, I'll take it. 4 packs left. All right. Do we get at least 1 bonus legendary? Or no? I don't know. I'm hoping for at least 2, but not many packs left to get them. Double rare pack though. Not too shabby. Double rare pack again, not bad. All right, 2 packs left. Last pack, so 3 legendaries only. Hyperspace Full back there. Looks pretty cool. What do they do? When played, reveal 3 enemy resources, defeat each resource. Yep, I got that played against me. Yeah, yesterday's pre-release, and it got me both times. All right, well, not that big of a box. Only 3 legendaries. I don't know. This one's probably the best one out of them, but you know, not every box can be a banger, but I'll take it. So, yeah. So definitely probably a weaker box because the first box, which only had 3, at least had a hyperspace finalizer. So that's probably a little better than just 3 normal ones. So yeah. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Have yourself a wonderful rest of your day. Give it a thumbs up, thumbs down. It doesn't matter as long as you interact with the video. That would help me out a lot. And most importantly, go have yourself some fun playing Star Wars. It's a great game. Get to your local game store. Or if you haven't played it, honestly, just get the precons. The precons are pretty good. The originals are great. I haven't played the new ones, so I can't really talk, but I would assume they're great too. And if you have at least someone that wants to play with you, play the game. Play it at home. Enjoy it. It's fun. Even if you don't like going to the stores, but it's fun playing at the stores because you get to play a lot of more different people with different decks. And it's fun. So, thanks for watching, folks. I do appreciate it. Go have yourself a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Laters.